Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I'm in the market in Hawaii today. And today I want to talk about why most businesses fail to get enough customers through the doors. Now, a lot of people struggle purely because they're not positioned as the expert. They're not the go-to person in the market. If you want to have floods of customers coming through your door, you've got to position yourself as the expert, the go-to person. And most people aren't willing to do that. To do that, you need to use things like content to give value to an audience first that positions you as the go-to expert. Think of people like Gordon Ramsay. He's producing TV shows, things online, and that content's positioning him as the expert. So Gordon Ramsay is not going to be struggling to get chef gigs. If there was an opportunity to work with him one-on-one, which there isn't, he would have people queuing up to take that opportunity. And you need to model that in your business. You need to get content that gives value out to a market, and you can do that with things like blog posts. If you don't want to write blog posts, you can get people to write those for you. You can do that with videos. Video content works really well. Facebook Lives, email marketing, podcasts. There's lots of different types of content you can use, but you need to be using it. You need to be doing it and taking action. Get that content out there, position yourself as the go-to person, because doing that is going to mean that you're going to have customers waiting to work with you. You're going to be able to get a waiting list of people that want to work with your business. So I hope you found that useful. I want you to get thinking about how you can do that in your business, how to put your prices up and get more customers and more leads into your business. I'd love to show you this in a bit more detail. We run an event called the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. In the description of this is a ticket for you guys, free ticket that I've sorted for you to come to the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. So click in the link now and grab your free ticket to that life-changing event. Cheers, guys.